You want your headlights to go from looking like this to this, then stay tuned to this video. Alright, what's up YouTube? Appreciate y'all coming back for another one. It's gonna be a quick down dirty video about doing a lighting upgrade on the truck. Bought this off of Amazon from NS Auto Lighting. Of course, it's from China. 23 bucks, not sponsored, paid my own money. This claims that it'll allow the 6 high mod to allow both your low beams, high beams, and fog lights to stay on all at one time. Quick, simple. The plug for it is right here, up underneath the dash, the brown plug. Just grab it, depress the back side of it right here, and pull down. So you can open up your package. There's a QR code for installation instructions if you want it. If not, this is, like I said, pretty super simple. You take your plug, just clip it into the black end of your connector here. Push to your click, take this side, re-put it back up into the fuse block, or connector block. Tuck your wiring up out of the way, zip ties, or pushing up out of the way, and I'll wait for it to get nighttime and show you the difference. It's headlights only, fog lights, 6 high. I'll drop a link for this below where I got it on Amazon. It's for 2015s through 2023, what the description says, for Chevy and GMC 1500 through 3500s. Gives you a lot of extra lighting. So if you made it this far, I appreciate you stopping in for another one. If you would, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.